So what's up, traders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week has been an amazing week, and yeah, so I want to go on. So okay, something happened early this week. Last week I told you guys about a book that I ordered, so it's arrived. So I'm going to show you guys the book, Think and Grow Rich. So I'm reading Think and Grow Rich, and I'm studying it and with some other materials here. So this morning, books I ordered like 2 weeks ago. So it arrived this morning, and Psycho-Cybernetics. This is the most important book I have been looking for, and yeah, I'm happy I can get my hands on it. Next one is We Are Born Rich by Bob Proctor. This is one of the books also I've been wanting to get for years. For weeks now and months. And then I think this one was recommended by my friend. The Mountain is Huge. So I think it's also a self-developing book. Self-sabotage to self-mastery. Yeah, and then this one, I really need this one. I've read this one as ebook, but I don't like ebooks, so I got it handy. So yeah, okay, yeah, those are the books, and I took only 2 trades this week. One was break even, and the other one was TP. The one that was TP, I held it for like 2 days, 2 freaking days. Okay, no, not like 2 days. Like, what's the rollover? It's TP, so it's still typical 1 full day, but it counted as 7 and 8. So look at the first trade here. So I don't know what day it is today, but I'm sure that we're in week 7 of this logged in, 7 of 26. So yeah, I have this GPUSD trade that has been trying to hit my break even. It went up, came back again, went up again, came back again, and now I don't know what it's doing, but I set a break even at this point. So I removed it, but I'm going to add it again, and then wait for it to and see what happens. This is 3:42, so 1 hour 30 minutes before London closes, and yeah, I want to see what happens. Okay, yeah, you have seen the first trade, so we'll go on to the second trade. Second trade was clear analysis, and then I'm going to show you guys the MT4 whatever MT5 whatever. So I'm having a bit of issue here. There's something I can do about this trade, I've been thinking of what to do, but I can't close it, and it has got to 1 hour, I think 2 times, and nothing has happened then. And I want to see the end of this trade. I want to see if it's going to turn out loss or win, because this is my second trade this week, and it's trying to be the second break even for the month. So I don't want to take that. I want to see how this trade ends. So I might swing this trade. I don't know, but I feel like I can swing. I will swing it. Yeah, I want to see price push up, take these levels, and smash the TP and take this high. This cannot be the Tuesday high. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm saying I want to see the end of this trade. But yeah, like always, today is Tuesday, and if this is TP, this might be my, in fact, TP or SL. This is going to be my last trade for the week. And yeah,
3 hours later,
and I'm going to give you guys a quick update on the trade I sent in my Telegram group. That's my Telegram group. Look at the trade I sent. I'm going to bring it up here. I sent this trade. They say GU buys at around 11:55 a.m. Say GU buys, and I said swing till tomorrow. This around 7:20 p.m. Price has been halting throughout the whole day, and then around midnight this happened. 12:01, and Trump dropped the saying that there will be a ceasefire. So price plunges up, and then we got our TP. If you're not in my Telegram group, join now, just free of charge. 8 signals free. So this is the trade here. This is the result of the trade. I will delete this alert now. That's nice one. And price has also cleared these external liquidities and here, so no need to keep this as external liquidity again. So when price starts coming down, or once that price starts going up again, we might see some external liquidity from the left again. But for now, it has swept every external liquidity. So yeah, nice call. And recently, I've not been sleeping well. I'm sounding so dull, but I'm going to fix my sleep. So yeah, guys, so you have seen the trade that I took this week, and they are phenomenal trades, and I'm happy about myself. So what the topic of today says one strategy, one time frame, and that is how my trade has been for like over the past 2 to 3 years. One time frame and one strategy. But what happened last month? I had strengths of losses was that I started incorporating high time frame analysis. I'm not good at high time analysis. I'm going to say the truth, but I know how to read that high time. I know how to read high time analysis, but the highest I can go is 1 hour. But last month I started using 4 hour, and it started making the process too long for me. And I started having strengths of losses because I used to doubt trade because it's not what is showing in the 4 hour that is showing in one hour that is showing in the 15 minutes. So I started doubting my entry, started doubting everything, and I started taking losses. I got 5 losses in a row, and that has not happened to me for a very long period of time. I mean like 1 year plus. So this month I said, okay, let me just go back to my one time frame, one strategy, which is the BOS I used to wait for non session or New York session, and then execute to the 15 minutes time frame, and that is what worked for me. 2 trades now clean, and I'm going to continue with that for the month of April, and I will compare the both results, and it's going to be phenomenal. Those that have been following me in this channel knows that I only trade 15 minutes time frame on GPUSD. Now I've added gold. Gold has been messy these days because it has not been following my strategy, and that's fine. It's okay, and because I know that if it is presenting entry, the heck they need good for. So if it is continuously presenting entry, I'm good with GU. So I'm going to be moving only to GU. But if I see any good trade, I can send to the signal. I can send to the signal group. I have a signal group, very public signal group with 62 members. You can join the signal group and see what we're doing there. So yeah, that is it for this week. And I'm traveling. So you guys are going to see less of my face because I'm traveling, so I'm going to be using my laptop only, not the workstation and the camera and everything. So I'm going to be analyzing only the chat and you'll be hearing my voice only. So yeah, I'm going to be traveling for like 2 weeks. I'm going to be back on May. Yeah, and when I'm back on May, we'll be back on camera. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Join me in my journey of 180 days logged in and $0 to $100,000. So join me in my journey and let's see.